Okay. So it turns out that you can make multiple frequencies without resonance chambers. You just exploit the bimodal nature of your vocal cord, and yeah, it's a surprise. But so oh, right. So you'll be listening for a very high pitched tone. Sounds like a cricket. Sounds like a cricket over the low tone of the throat singing. Oh, that's how the Tibetan kids punctuate with the little thing at the end. I think it's cute. I don't know. I really like it. Anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna make this long.